Hey everybody, it's your girl Michaela Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video I'm going to be trying out a headband wig for the first time, and honestly I don't know what to expect. If you follow me on Twitter, then you know I was kind of like really hesitant about these headband wigs and like was kind of not for it. However, I have been seeing people like post their videos on them, and so I was like, you know what, maybe I'll try it out because people have been making them look super cute, even though on the website when you look at these headband wigs they do not be giving, okay? They don't be giving. So that's why I've been hesitant. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get on into it. These might cause a glare, so I'm so sorry, but your girl is blind, okay? I cannot see. So yeah, now y'all are probably like, girl, why do you have a scarf on if your hair isn't laid down? It was just for the purposes of the intro of the video, okay? I ain't laid nothing down. So my hair is actually like, it's time for me to wash it. It has been underneath like other wigs and stuff, so you see the braids are really fuzzy, all that good stuff. But I thought it would be more realistic for me to do this with my hair in this state, because this is probably when I would be wearing this headband wig, like in between wigs, or you know, in between styles, when I'm lazy, running to the store. So I just wanted to see like what it would be like. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down, I'm sorry, I'm looking at this mirror. If it's just like, if you're wondering like what I'm looking at my mirror. But I'm gonna go ahead and take down these front two braids, so that way, actually, yeah, I need to take down these front two braids. And then I'm gonna slick it back and all that good stuff and prepare for the wig. Okay, y'all just don't know how good this feels. Well, maybe y'all do know, I don't know. Well, I said y'all don't know. Y'all, this water bottle is literally amazing. Do y'all see how much, oh, do y'all see how much water just came in? So now I'm just gonna be taking some Eco Styler gel. Yes, there's probably so many better products you could be using, but we are gonna be just using some Eco Styler gel because that's the good old one that works for me. Y'all, okay, one thing that's had me like super hesitant about trying these wigs is the fact that I, in my opinion, do not look good with my hair pushed back. Like, that is why you guys do not see me try ponytails. You guys don't see me do anything like that, because I look better with stuff on my face, in my opinion. So yeah, very nervous about this. And then on top of that, I have like a very like coney head, so this is real life, baby. I'm gonna make this, try to lay down as flat as possible so that you don't notice that I have a cone head. I feel like I need to like relearn how to do my edges. I'm just gonna lay my edges for a little bit, and then I'm gonna fix the back of this so that way it's flatter. But I'm gonna lay my edges while I'm fixing that, so that way like nothing comes up, if that makes sense. Okay. Alrighty, you guys. Oh girl, my glasses are so crooked because they are not sitting on my ears. They're just sitting, okay. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna just show you guys the wig. This is the wig fresh out of the package. Girl, I ain't done nothing to it. I haven't put any products on it, nothing. I haven't washed it, nothing. And here is how the wig is constructed. Okay, and then here's how the wig is constructed. So it has this band, and the band is not connected to the back. And then you have 3 little clips here, and then you have 2 clips at the bottom. I don't really know how secure this is going to be, which makes me very, very nervous, but you know, let's go ahead and install this bad boy. Oh, okay. That wasn't as cute as I thought it was going to be. Ooh, okay. Just put it on my head, I guess. Are all the clips open? Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Y'all know I have a big head. I have a lot of hair. Oh child, this is pulling my hair some kind of way right now. Ooh, okay. I don't know how like in the front it should be. Okay. Maybe I should push it back a little bit. Maybe not. Okay. Okay. Okay, snap these closed. Let's take these glasses off. This is even, looks about even. Okay. And I'm just going to Velcro this behind my head. All right. Okay. Alrighty, I'm gonna put my glasses back on so I can see what we're working with. Alright. Okay, this is what it looks like. I feel like I could do my edges a little bit more dramatic for this, but it looks now let's get to trying on some of these headbands. So this one is super cute. It's green. Let me put it on. This is cute. This is a cute little moment. Honestly, I feel like I should put more hair in my baby hairs, but it's okay. Y'all see how big my forehead is now? See, this is why I don't like wearing headbands. But like, it's cute if my forehead was smaller. Oh, I like this one is like, if this one is way more big girl head friendly than the other one, in my opinion. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I would honestly probably frizz this hair out, make it bigger, especially right in here, just because I like my hair to be really big. You guys know this, but this is really cute. And you could, like, honestly, I could never get like a pushback look with a frontal. That's just requiring way too much work that I will personally never do. But it's really cute. This is such a look. Last one I'm gonna try on is this gorgeous bedazzled headband moment. Oh my goodness, you guys, I've been seeing these headbands everywhere. However, I've never tried them. Like, I don't know, like, because I'm not a big headband wearer, I just assumed they wouldn't look good on me, but we will find out right now. Okay, well, let me put this on properly before I get all excited. Oh, ciao. Okay, so here it is. Oh, this is, I don't know, my head is already like really long. I don't really know if I'm here for a heightened headband. I don't know. Yeah, my face is too long for this. I feel like my head too long. My forehead is too big for this. That's what it is. My forehead is just simply too dang on big. I wish it wasn't, but that is the truth. My forehead is too big for this. It's so cute though. This would look so cute on somebody else. Like, I'm so mad. Like, I just feel like it's so tall. My forehead is long. I mean, tall. Like, it's just, I don't think this is for us, y'all. Okay, guys, so after trying on some different headbands and things like that, my overall take on these wigs is that, one, they are super convenient. However, for me personally, in my head shape, not all headbands are gonna work for these. I think you just have to find the type that you like. Like, I like a kind of flat cloth headband. I would love to do a scarf moment, but this right here, this is not for me. I will be giving this to someone because no, this doesn't look cute on me. Okay, guys, so my overall verdict though is that I honestly am a fan of these wigs, but I'm a fan of them because of one key thing, and that is that these will make the perfect workout wig for me, okay? Because y'all, I like to still be cute even when I go work out. Like, you don't know who you're gonna see, and wearing a closure or frontal wig just does not work out, at least for me, because a frontal, girl, that frontal is gonna be lifted. A closure wig, you still have to deal with like products, and then like a closure, you don't have as much versatility to put it back in a ponytail, so you're like stuck with like swooping the hair however it is. And girl, I don't like to have hair on my face, and you know, I don't like to have hair on my face when I'm like working out. So this is the perfect way for me to like put my hair back and put a little headband on, throw my hair in a ponytail, and go. Like, girl, and it looks so natural, especially if you get like a curly wig. That's why I got curly, is because I knew it would look more natural than if I were to get straight, just because I wear my hair natural more than I straighten it. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited to go work out for the first time. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to check out Yolissa Hair and all of their headband wigs. I will be having some links in the description box. Also be sure to check out some of my other content. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at Michaela Michelle. Bye.